What's up, chaps? And welcome back. In some time, so if you're going to be trying to get a challenge lock picked, and we have this one from Black Dolphin, the monster from BlackDolphin90. This lock has been giving me some trouble from the start. I'm having trouble with the key working, but you can see now it all works nice and smooth. It's a little bit of a little snatchy there, but I think that's actually, it's probably just, could be just a sidebar. That's not it. Anyway, yeah, there's a clip on the back there, so let me just check, make sure he's locked up. Let's see if we can pick him here. Okay, there. The tension wrench. This one should do. And a flag. And something to pick the sliders. Okay, so here we go. Let's check for a binder. Right. The pins. 2 binder there. Nice click and a bit of a turn on the core. Okay, that's only one binder on the right side. On the left here. Let's click off 2. This another click off the second one there. Okay, here's this. I think we have a pin binding on the right side here. Yeah, oh yes, definitely. There's a deep faucet there now. Even deeper. That's strange. I'll keep picking this actually. Didn't think the faucet would get that deep. I haven't touched the side pins yet. Okay. Wow. Oops, no, I think I overset one. Yeah, maybe go back. No. Yeah. Okay. Some nice clicking and some nice counter. Let's try the side pins. Okay, see what happens. I'm gonna try a little sanded down flag here. I modified this for try and pick as a side pins. Works well enough on this. First one feels springy. Second one feels locked in place. Oh, got the fourth one to move there. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if I can get behind the fourth one there, so I have a half diamond here. I should be able to be a little bit more accurate with this one. 1, 2, 3. I can't get in behind the fourth one here. One, 2, 3. Try this again. 1 still feels springy. 2, 3. This maybe. Okay, he's locked in place. Like he's trying to give me counter rotation, but I'm going to take that to mean that he's in his gate. And so, I think I've got counter rotation off them before. And check these pins again one more time. pick there. Thanks for that, Roxy. Wake up everyone then, why don't you? Well, there we go. We are open. I guess I had them set. Let's see, where are we time wise? Oh shit. 5 minutes in. Okay, yeah. Let's pick. Let's got this fella. Leave him right there. Okay, and let me just readjust that. Okay. Get all the tools we need in here. Okay, let's just move them up out of the way for a second, and we can relock this. She is picked. She be picked. I'm not going to turn it around any further than that because all our drivers will jump. So let's lock her back up. There we go. Nice. Works quite well. So okay. Let's get this removed. Uh-oh. I meant to bring a new shim. Oh, I have a new shim. There we go. I'll just pick it up now. There we go. I think that's actually an RFID tag shim, which probably won't work great on this lock. Let me see. Now, I can't remember if we needed a shim or not for this. No, I don't think we do actually. But we'll do it just to be safe. Try and get this in here. Yeah, that worked reasonably well. Now, here we go. Pins towards me, sidebar at the bottom here. Whoops, that was a bit, nearly got caught there. Okay, sidebar there. You can see him, it's spring loaded. Let's get him out of there if we can. Shit. No, springs are in there still, so pin 1. We dropped pin 1. Shit. 1. Shit. 2. Okay, I made a mess of this. That was a 3 from the other side. 3 from. Shit. Now I do believe that that's what we have here. So key pins. Okay. And the springs off the sidebar there. We leave those in there. I can actually do that so they don't get. Oh, do you know, actually, I need to take the sidebar pins out. Forgot about them. Okay, don't get these ones mixed up, Paul. Okay, just gonna put them there to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we can put that in there. There's no modifications done to the core there. We can see, I don't know if you can see this. See, Black Dolphin put a false gate and that, I do believe. So you put that there, yeah. You see, so trying to get your viewer. That's the true gate, obviously the wide and the small gate and the false gate there. And there's the modifications to the sidebar. It's thinned out on this end so it can fall into those false gates. You know. Okay, let me see. There's drivers out here. I'm trying to do this in a reasonably organized fashion. So, pin. Okay. Pin 1 on the left side. Shit. 1 on the so I'm just going to do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 7 pins up top here. 3, 4, 5, and 6, and is that it? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. 7, and then we have all the springs there. You can see them protruding on that side. We do have shorter springs. Let's get them out. See. Have a look at them. If they will come out, that is, come out there. Come on now. There we go. I think that's 7 springs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move that stuff up there. 5, 6, and 7. So we just moved those bits to the side, and those are the pins that were originally in this lock, and I just couldn't get them to work, Patrick. That's the spring that had got caught up. He somehow got past his pin there and got caught in this shear line. I actually noticed them as the lock body. The reason I noticed it because he stuck out the side here. The piece of him came sticking out the side, so I shimmed it, got them out, and then when I was trying to put it back together, and I tried to use those small pieces there, but every time I tried to use them, like this was that was say pin 4, 5, 6 or something like that. There's something like that oriented, so I replaced them with this spool. So those 3 spools there I put in that screw originally with the ones in it. So 1, 2, 3, and 6 original pins, and I put in those ones there, 4, 5, and 7. These are the key pins that should go along the bottom of that. The left hand, this is one of those Yale Magnums. They have 2 rows of pins, 4 on the left, 3 on the right. There they are there. Anyway, and there's the pinning. It's actually a nice lock, a nice fun pick, especially with the side pins and all that. You can hardly notice the cuts them out. A lot of those pins are really high lift on them. So, but there we are. Anyway, fellas, and it works. And you know, Daniel, like I said, it is a very nice pick. Thanks, Patrick, for all those locks, mate. And I shall get them together and just get them on to someone else. So, cheers, fellas. Thanks for joining in. See you again next time. Bye.